Let's see what's going on. Faraday, future intelligent electric. Are you more intelligent or more electric? Let us know in the comments below what is happening right now. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. And welcome to Trading HT. So let's go, Alvaro.
Wow, this is completely nuts. We're talking about 3 different rallies. Obviously the first one, more than 7,000%, is when all started. When it all started, the craziness about this stock. But there were also another 2 rallies right here back in August 2024. We are talking about 400% nearly, and the last one, the one we experienced very recently, 341%. Right now it's correcting and it's happening exactly what happened in the other rallies. It's completely insane, minus 64%. So the key question here is, will the downtrend continue?
Yeah, let us know if you think this is a correction or the continuance of that crash. How do you see that? An opportunity or a trap? Let us know in the comments. And it's very interesting, because the last video we had about this stock was around September, and we had this key resistance level that you can see from the daily chart. A very interesting technical pattern, this very resistance line to draw with. But the interesting thing is when this happened, the breakout right here. Let me draw, the green circle right there. It got with the other side. Right there. All right. I can't draw it. Oh my god. 1 second.
There's a lot of
There
patterns
you
right
go.
there.
There you go. All right. So when that breakout happened, it's very interesting that the volume started to kick in. You can see the bigger the volume, the bigger the candle. Remember, we're using that kind of candlestick patterns. And right there, you can see 4 consecutive green candles with a bullish gap to the upside right here. And from there, the price even broke that level of $2.67 that could have acted as a resistance. But from there, this even bigger, red candle. And from there, the downtrend kind of continued or not. You will answer that in the comments below. How do you see the situation? Did you expect that breakout with that strength? And why did it stop? Will it continue or not?
Yeah, the key elements that we have to study right here is we're talking about the fundamentals, of course, the net income. And the net income in the last 3 quarters is completely negative. It's not something that it was like it was worse in the past, but still losses are losses. And at the end of the day, if we have losses, investors pay the bill. And this was actually happening, with a lot of volatility, a lot of hype and interest around the investors. But the thing here is, like, look at the minus 77%. No, I'm sorry, minus 77 million of net income. That's completely negative. So right now it's not pessimistic in that sense. We're gonna see maybe similar losses in the next quarter. And actually here we have it, like an S&P minus 148 in the earnings, completely negative side.
It's interesting, this stock, a lot of volatility. It has happened in the past and it could happen in the future also. So what is your opinion about it? Why are you trading it if you are trading it, or why are you looking at it or have it in your watches if you have it? It's very interesting, because each investor could be watching this for a different reason. In our case, we think it's interesting, to talk about it all together and create this type of debate or this type of companies that have a lot of volatility and could present, good opportunities, but also kind of traps, hidden traps. And in this case, in the past, obviously, if you bought at the lower part before that 7,000 rally, wow, what a trade. But if you bought at the highest part, you don't want to be there, like a minus 99%. So both sides of the coin right there, you can see in this stock. It's very interesting. And right now, people are talking about it, retail investors discussing if the volatility of the stock will continue. Also, if this is a buying opportunity or not, as we asked you. And we also have, in early 2025, they announced something like they would change the ticker symbol from FFIE to FFI. Sorry, FFAI. And that would be like they will be focusing on AI strategies. So if you know more about this information, please share it in the comments below. How do you see this stock for 2025? The thing is, like, you can see there is movement in the markets and it seems like there are news around this company. But the thing is, will it continue going higher, or will the past downtrend continue and go even higher, even lower? How do you see that?
Well, and actually we're watching right now the seasonal chart, and you can see the performance from 2020 till today, and it's completely insane, because only 1 year in positive, 2020, more than 300, no, 300, no, you wish, 3% of positive side, but the rest of the years, we're talking about like a minus 47%, minus 59, which is the current year, 2025, it's just a couple of weeks, and it's already
Yeah,
minus 60%.
it's a very devastating chart right there. If you take into account like the start of the years and middle years, you can see uptrends right there. Remember to have our cameras turned off, Alvaro, so they can see
Mm-hmm.
the start of the seasonal chart. And if you take a look from September going to the end of the year, each year has been devastating, as you can see right there.
Wow.
So the question is, do you think 2025 will be the exception to the rule that we can see in this chart, or do you think it will continue in this trend? How do you see FFIE stock? Let us know in the comments below all your thoughts about it. Faraday Future Intelligent Electric, what do you think about it? Honest opinions always are welcome. Train HT, remember to subscribe and have a nice week. We love you.
Bye bye.